We're at the KitPlus show in Media City. I'm on the NAM Studio Equipment booth with Nick. How you doing, Nick?
I'm doing great, mate. How are you?
Very good. So we've got something very exciting.
We have.
Brand new.
Yes.
Tell us about the Colbor range.
Well, the Colbor Range was only launched about 18 months ago. They started off with some just on-board camera, small little lights, which are really nice, really robust. They're magnetic. They have built-in battery, all the usual stuff you get from the pocket light, and they've been slowly moving up in terms of the power delivery.
Okay.
The best-selling unit is a 60-watt unit. It only weighs 500 grams.
Wow.
And when it's sold with one of our carbon fibre stands, you're looking at something that's only a kilo.
Wow.
So making location work extremely easy. And then moving up, we've now got 100-watt units, 220-watt units, and as you see here, this is a 330-watt unit. But whether you buy the 60-watt or you buy the 330-watt, they all come with Bowens fitting. So if you've got legacy softboxes, diffusers, modifiers, whatever, they will all fit the range.
Right. Okay.
The biggest selling point of them is they're extremely robust, they're all metal, but they're all extremely light. An example of the gap, we spoke about the small 60, the 200-watt light, the 220-watt light is only 2 kilograms.
Wow,
so
okay.
it makes travelling very, very easy with the whole range.
Cool. And all of them are powered remotely. Is there an option to battery power them?
Absolutely. They all have, the smaller units have a USB-C input,
Oh, okay.
so you can choose the V-lock accessory to put a V-lock on the side, or just use your power bank that you've used for your laptop and power them. As you move up the range, obviously use a bigger power source, which have a 3-pin input, but there is a cable to a V-lock adapter. One of the unique features actually of the whole range, it doesn't matter whether you go for a 60-watt light or the 330-watt, they can all bolt together into power banks, so you get enormous amount of lighting just by having small units. It's a really, really nice idea, and the accessories are very, very
I was going to ask you
inexpensive.
about the accessories, because we're seeing a few here.
Yeah, absolutely.
What are we looking at here?
Well, this one's actually the NAN light for now, the FL20G.
Right.
I love it because it fits with all the cob lights that I tend to sell generally, and it's very accurate. I love something that's big and in your hand, and you can manipulate quite easily. But yes, they make softboxes, lanterns, and other bits and pieces that will fill up your kit bag for you.
Yeah, absolutely. So where can people find out more information if they're not here today in Salford?
Well, you can find them all from our website, which is www.namgrip.tv.
Okay.
It's NAM Studio Equipment. If you search it with Google, we'll come up first.
Good.
So that's the best way to find out about equipment.
Everything's available in shipping now?
Everything's available in shipping now. Anything that's on our website is always in stock. Once it goes out of stock, we take it down.
Good to hear. Nick, thank you very much indeed. Do check out that website. And for everything else we're doing here at the show, check out kitplus.com.